Welcome. In front of me is a SONY Xperia 1 Mark VII, and today I will show you how we can hard reset this device through recovery mode. So, before I get started, I'm going to quickly mention that you can do this kind of reset in order to get rid of a screen lock if you have one set that you don't know, and all you would need to do is hold your power button and volume up at the same time, which will bring up your boot options. Select power off. And when the phone turns off, you want to hold power button and volume down at the same time. Let go of the power button when you see the Sony logo. And when you have the recovery mode visible, you can also let go of the volume down. Now, using volume buttons, primarily volume down as well, you want to select wipe data factory reset and then confirm it using your power button. Then select factory data reset. And as you can see, it quickly wipes data, at which point reboot system now is selected, so confirm it by pressing power button, and the device will now reboot and continue resetting it in the background. And because it is continuing, it will take the device just a little bit longer to fully boot up, so just let it run through. After about a minute or so, we should see some white screen, which will then load up the setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.